Hi guys, this is 2019 Toyota Hilux 4x4. So this one had a problem is the check engine light is on. Say a coming message for the check engine, visit your dealer. So I scanned the car. I found the code p2237. So it's called auto sensor positive current control circuit open bank 1 sensor 1. So here the code. So here the new oxygen sensor. You can see this the 4-pin. These two black wires going to the heat control. You have to check that one for the continuity is there. Okay guys, here the oxygen sensor. So location in here near to the DPF on the driver side. So we need to 22 mil. Okay, here's the connector. Okay guys, here's the two new oxygen sensor. This is a new one. Okay guys, we put the two black wires. So the showing resistance and the continuity. Just keep beeping. It's a new one. Okay guys, this is the old one. We're putting in the two black wires and we're getting zero continuity. So this oxygen sensor is faulty, that's why it's getting code logging on. So install the new oxygen sensor. Okay, we finally installed the oxygen sensor. Okay guys, I'm going to erase the code. Okay guys, all code gone. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.